In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the audit logs in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever found yourself needing to track changes or review activities within your QuickBooks account, this feature is invaluable. Whether you're an accountant, a small business owner, or just trying to keep your financial records straight, knowing how to navigate the audit logs can help you stay organized and ensure everything is in order. Now, let's walk through the process together. To get started, ensure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. It's best to use a desktop or a laptop for this process, as it can be a bit more cumbersome on a mobile device. Once you have QuickBooks open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, and you'll notice a gear icon. This gear icon is your gateway to a plethora of settings and features within QuickBooks Online. When you click on it, it reveals a drop-down menu filled with different options categorized for easy navigation. Among these categories, you'll see one labeled Tools. Under this section, you'll find a lot of useful options, but the one that concerns us today is Audit Log. So go ahead and click on Audit Log. What you've done here is access a feature that tracks every change made in your QuickBooks account. This includes additions, deletions, and edits made by all users, along with a timestamp for when each change occurred. It's a tiny feature with powerful capabilities, allowing you or your accountant to understand exactly what modifications have taken place and when. Once you've clicked that, you might notice a brief loading period. This is simply QuickBooks compiling the data to present it to you in a manageable format. Depending on the amount of data it has to process or how many users are registered in your QuickBooks account, this loading might take a few seconds, so be patient while QuickBooks Online prepares your audit log information. And there you have it. The audit logs will now be displayed on your screen. In this section, you can view who made changes, when they occurred, and even filter the results to suit specific review needs. This display is often set up in chronological order, which makes it easier for you to follow the timeline of activities. This feature is a great help when it comes to conducting internal audits or just ensuring that everything aligns with your records. To recap, accessing the audit logs in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward but crucial process if you're keen on keeping track of changes to your financial data. Just remember to click the gear icon, navigate to the Tools section, click on Audit Log, and give it a moment to load. You'll gain insights that could prove extremely valuable in maintaining the integrity and accuracy of your financial information. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. See you next time.